Daddy Longstrong. I say, woody whoop whoop, Daddy Longstrong. What's good in the city? Come kick it with your brother Frank Nitty. Yeah, what's good in the city? Tell me, baby. Come fade with your brother Frank Nitty. What's good in the city? Come kick it with your brother Frank Nitty. Yeah. What's good in the city? Tell me, baby. Come fade with your brother Frank Nitty. It's called Woody Whoop Whoop, Daddy Longstrong. That's how we get it in the D, baby. Yo, I say Woody Whoop Whoop. Real men do real shit. Daddy Longstrong. Get off your ass. And make it count for something today, dog. Get off your behind and leave your troubles behind. Stop making excuses of what you can't do and get out here and do what you do. Woody whoop whoop, Daddy Longstrong. Why you can't do what another man do? You just want to beg on YouTube. PayPal, Cash App. Somebody help me. I can't feed myself. I'm such an addict. Well, addicts got jobs too. Addicts motherfucker get it in too. Addicts motherfucker get out here and make that motherfucker show too. It ain't just motherfucking these fools. Addicts get out here and make it too. It's addicts on the job right now, making no excuse. Feed their family, paying their bills, but still gonna do they spill. Frank Nitty, 2 T's like 2 titties. Straight D City, I know you with it. Woody whoop whoop, Daddy Longstrong. That's how we get it, baby, in the D. That's how we get it in the D. That's how we live, you and me. Put your eyes on the prize. It's me, Frank Nitty. Frank Nitty, baby. Frank Nitty. Frank Nitty, baby. That's how we get it in the D. That's how we live, you and me. Put your eyes on the prize. It's me and my daughter, Melody. Frank Nitty, Frank Nitty, baby. Frank Nitty, Frank Nitty, baby. Yeah, yeah. You got something to say, baby? You got something to say? She working right now. So, we out. Deuces. I enjoyed y'all. Let's see what men's do, though, instead of making excuses. Yeah, people want to support. People want to enable cats that don't want to work and don't want to pull they share. They fair share out here in life. They'd rather enable them. and never allow them to be a grown, independent, proud people of America. Because that's what real Americans do. We get out here and make no excuse. We get out here and get that cho, man, and feed our family, feed our folks. You already know. Papa coming home. Favorite position from the back door. You already know. Frank Nitty, baby. 2 T's, 2 titties. Woody whoop whoop, Daddy Longstroke. You got something to say, baby? She working. She got bowls. She got spoons. And she going in the kitchen to get more. So, that's how we get it over here in Frank Nitty cut. So you already know. You know what I'm saying? She busy. That's the 3rd spoon she done brought. Yeah. What up, though? What it do? Frank Nitty, 2 T's like 2 titties, man. Woody whoop whoop. Daddy Longstroke. Yeah. I say, Woody whoop whoop. Daddy Longstroke. That must be the end of the dishes. I don't see her coming back. So that's the end. Oh, here she come. You got something to say, baby? You got something to say? You gonna say something? You got something to say? You say something. Say something. Come here. Say something. Say something. You gonna say something? Say something. Say something. Yeah. Say it again. What you got to say? Say it again. Say it. You got something to say? Say it. Yeah. Say it one more time. Say it again. Say it. You got something to say? Oh, yeah. What else you got to say? I love her so much. Oh, yeah. I will, baby. I love her. I love her so much. Love you. Enjoy your day. Woody whoop whoop. Daddy Longstroke. You already know. Now she after my coffee. I can't let that go though. Yeah.